Hello, so good afternoon and welcome to everyone. Thank you for joining us as we introduce to you Lalamove Philippines and as we give you a sneak peek of our redesigned user app. So, as Rod mentioned, my name is Dan Maharokan. I handle driver operations for Lalamove Philippines. Today is very exciting because this is actually the first time we will be unveiling our redesigned Lalamove app. So later on, we will give you a walkthrough of its features, how to use the app, and how you can maximize it for your everyday use. I'd like to welcome our guest all the way from Bangkok, Santit, our Regional Director for Lalamove Asia Pacific. I would also like to introduce Albert Go, Lalamove Philippines Country Director, who will be giving us an introduction as to who Lalamove is, where Lalamove began, and of course, the journey to expanding all throughout Asia and now in Manila. So Albert is a seasoned startup entrepreneur who actually started his roots with e-commerce platform Groupon, moving into the grocery delivery app Honestbee, and is now the key to the success of Lalamove Philippines. So let us all give him a warm welcome.
Hey guys. So, thanks for coming. I'll just give a brief background of Lalamove and, of course, how it fared, how it started in other countries, and how it started here in the Philippines last year. So, Lalamove, originally, we came from Hong Kong. We started off as EasyVan, and we started this back in 2013. So, it was started by Shane. And today, we are present in China, Thailand, Singapore, Taiwan, and now in Manila. So Manila was officially launched back in November of 2016, and it's been very, very good for us. The demand has been crazy, and honestly speaking, it's very promising here. So the cities that we're in, currently we have a total of 81 cities. So a lot of it is in China, and in Southeast Asia, I mentioned Hong Kong, Manila, Singapore, Taiwan, and Thailand. So for Lalamove, how we have expanded so far is really through our customer service and through our operational excellence. We, so far, just a few numbers for you guys to know. What we always do is that we try to keep the customer experience as good as possible, as simple, as fast as possible, because as you guys know, traditional logistics in the Philippines and also around the world actually is usually a challenge, especially for small business users. So for us, our specialty is point to point. So when you order for a Lalamove driver, you can expect to see one in your doorstep like right away. And on average, regionally we have like a 37-minute delivery time and 99.5% fulfillment rate. So this is also our main strength. We try to make our service as reliable, as fast, and of course as friendly and as good as possible. Next slide. I think it got stuck, but yeah. So actually for Lalamove, our main target is really to target businesses. And to be specific, this is towards the small and medium businesses. What we want to do is to be an enabler for these small businesses to actually compete. Because as you know, the small, medium enterprises, they normally have the most unique needs. And they're usually the ones as well who are the most numerous, and they're the ones that actually fuel the economy of a country. If we actually are able to empower them and also enable them to increase their businesses, we're actually doing the country and also the local economy a lot of good. So we use technology, and we definitely, we capitalize on the latest technology today, like GPS tracking, also the instant order matching, and a lot of other services, which will be demoed later to you by Mark. So what we've seen in our journey is that we've improved a lot of the delivery speed. We've also utilized a lot more vehicles and made it more efficient because you guys know Manila traffic. Manila traffic alone is really bad, so if we're able to maximize and keep more vehicles, if you're able to utilize more vehicles and keep more vehicles off the road, then we're also doing the local economy good by lessening traffic. So yeah, some of the services that we offer. Our service is basically 24/7. We're a platform to match all of the drivers to our customers, and all of our tools later you'll see in full depth. So yeah, the types of vehicles we have motorcycles and vans, and soon to come to Manila will be trucks. The most number of vehicles we have currently in Manila would be motorcycles, and that's our main specialty. So how it works is you just open the app, you pick a vehicle, and then you pick a pickup point, a drop-off point, and then that's as easy as that. And later, during the demo, you can feel free to ask more questions. And actually, if you want to try it out later as well, you can go ahead. Yeah, so some of our regional partners, just for reference, and yeah, actually, I'll just let Mark take it from here.
Good afternoon again. Thank you for that, Albert. So for my start. So Lola Move, we deliver faster. As our tagline says, we are committed to giving you faster deliveries, to serve you with the faster deliveries. And with this comes our new app, Revamp. Our app, Revamp, features a more streamlined order taking and a revamp of the aesthetics of the app. As you guys know, or as if you have used the app, or if you've seen any of your friends who have used the app before, this is your first tips. This is what we can offer you a first look of how the app looks like. And we will be playing a video to demonstrate the new app revamp that we have in store for you. So, wait lang. There. So, with the video, we will be going through it one by one, image per image. Hold on. Okay, so for the first image is, when you open your new app, or the first step that we would do is to download the app. If you have not yet downloaded the app, we encourage you to do so. But once you've downloaded, you would be presented with this interface. So what you first do is select your vehicle that you want to use for delivery. You enter your pickup and drop-off point. Next image. There. So once you select your pickup and your drop-off point, the app automatically computes for you how much the delivery would cost. Next slide. And then once you click the button below, it gives you this. This interface that says if you have to present you a specific address and other details regarding your delivery. And this one also is connected to your contact list. So those who have frequent deliveries, another feature of the new app is that it links to your contacts, so that when you click the contact list, it automatically fills up those fields. Next. Here is, you will see again the price for your delivery, and then you can use either the cash, or if you are a business user or business client of ours, you can use e-wallet or prepaid. Next image. Once that is done, we are going to search for your driver to match you with the driver, which is near where your pickup point is. Next image. Once a driver has been matched to you, you can easily track and see where the driver is, if it's near to your pickup location or if it's on the way to the delivery site as well. Next one. Once the pickup and the delivery process has been done, you can now see it here, and the next image, you can also rate your driver. So this is how the app revamp would look. It's a little bit, the aesthetics is different. It's more pleasing to the user. It's more streamlined in terms of using it. There. So that's our new app revamp for Lola Move. I'll give it back to Von.
Thank you, Albert and Mark. So we encourage you to download it if you haven't downloaded it. Personally, all of us in the office use Lala Move, and mabilis talaga siya. And mas mura siya. So I encourage you to really use Lala Move. Very, very helpful. So right now, we'll be entertaining questions. So